We have number 7 here. We're asking to solve. Here's the line down that middle to separate the left and the right. First of all, let's combine some like terms. But before that, we have to deal with this parentheses. So let's distribute. Negative 4 times y becomes negative 4y. Negative 4 times 1 becomes a negative 4. Bring everything else down. Plus 3y minus 3 is equal to negative 10. Let's see if we can combine some like terms. Negative 4y and 3y becomes a negative 1y. Negative 4 and negative 3 becomes negative 7. That equals to negative 10. Okay. Now let's add the 7 to both sides because that is the only way we get this to cancel. Negative 7 plus 7 becomes the number 0. That's why that cancels. We are left with a negative 1y equals to negative 3. Notice there's a negative 1 in front, so we're going to divide by negative 1 to both sides. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 cancels. That leaves you to be y is equal to negative 3 divided by negative 1 becomes a positive 3. All right, now we have b. Here's the line down that middle. If we distribute here, it's going to become worse because 1/3 times 5p becomes 5/3 p. 1/3 times negative 7 becomes negative 7 over 3. Okay, that's going to make the problem just completely worse. So what we're going to do is try to get rid of the divide by 3. To do that, we're going to multiply by 3. Okay, this is going to be canceled because 3 over 3 becomes the number 1. Okay, that's the reason why this will cancel. Make sure you also multiply 3 to the other side. 3 times 6 becomes 18 equals to, the 1/3 gets canceled with the 3 here. So we're only left with 5p minus 7. Getting rid of the minus 7, we're going to add 7 to both sides. This is not going to cancel. This is going to leave you with a 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 on the left hand side is equal to 5p. Then we're going to divide 5 to both sides. 5 over 5 cancels. This gets you p is equal to 5.